Welcome back to the DGP community. With a minimum purchase of $100 USDT for our Crypto Extravaganza Raffle Promotion, you'll receive in exchange 4 raffle tickets and $100 USDT worth of DGP coins. With these raffle tickets, you will have the chance to win in our monthly draws. Win prizes such as a MacBook Air, an iPhone 13, an Apple Smartwatch, DGP coins, free DGP Bot rentals, or even a brand new car in our grand prize draw. So how can you participate in our Crypto Extravaganza? On YouTube, find our DGP community channel and locate the Crypto Extravaganza tutorial video and find the registration link in the description. In order to register and purchase your raffle tickets and DGP coins, please ensure you have already registered for and have money in any crypto wallet of your choice. Steps on how to join the Crypto Extravaganza. First, click the link in the description located below the Crypto Extravaganza tutorial video. This will redirect you to Telegram. Proceed to click the Start button. Second, select the personal data icon and follow the format given in the example and input your personal data in the message bar below. For example, name, John Smith. Personal email address, johnsmith@yahoo.com. Personal phone number, 628-560-0900. On the final line down, type the word DigiFinex in all caps followed by a dash and type 1234 if you do not have a DigiFinex account or wallet ID. We have simplified the process so you can use any crypto wallet to purchase your raffle tickets and DGP coins. Finally, click Send. Following this, in the menu, select the Buy Tickets icon. In this example, we want to buy 4 raffle tickets for $100 USDT, so we enter the number 4 in the message bar and hit Send, and the 4 tickets will be added to your cart. As stated previously, you will receive 4 raffle tickets plus the dollar amount of the ticket's cost in DGP coins. Step 5. Go back to the menu and select Personal Data once again. There you will find the TRC20 address in which to send your payment. Copy this address to mitigate sending the payment to the wrong digital wallet. After you send your full payment amount to the TRC20 address and it has been processed, you will need to confirm your transaction by locating your transaction history in your digital wallet and take a screenshot of the transaction, ensuring that the TX hash or the TX ID is visible in the image. In this example, we used Binance Exchange to send the payment. Proceed back to Telegram and the Crypto Extravaganza and select the confirmation button on the menu, attach the screenshot, and click Send. Please note that you cannot replace the proof of transaction once you have sent the screenshot, so ensure you send the correct image. Once the payment and confirmation are sent, it can take up to 24 hours for the payment to be verified and the admin to activate your account. In order to check your DGP coin balance, click the Balance button, and your DGP coin balance will be displayed on screen. If you select the referral button from the menu, a referral link will appear on screen for you to send to your family and friends so they too can participate in the Crypto Extravaganza. Please note, if someone uses your referral link, you will be rewarded with additional DGP coins. Finally, if you select the Raffle Tickets button, you will see your numbered raffle tickets displayed on the screen. For more information, please visit our YouTube channel, DGP Community. Raffle Draw Schedule. December 18th, 2021, Saturday, monthly raffle draw, 10 p.m. Canadian Eastern Time. January 22nd, 2022, Saturday, monthly raffle draw, 10 p.m. Canadian Eastern Time. February 26th, 2022, Saturday, monthly raffle draw, 10 p.m. Canadian Eastern Time. March 26, 2022, Saturday, monthly raffle draw, 10 p.m. Canadian Eastern Time. April 30th, 2022, Saturday, monthly raffle draw, 10 p.m. Canadian Eastern Time. May 28, 2022, Saturday, monthly raffle draw, 10 p.m. Canadian Eastern Time. June 25th, 2022, Saturday, grand prize raffle draw, 10 p.m. Canadian Eastern Time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.